The EX90 is an entirely new nameplate for Volvo and one that will serve as the brand's top model when it goes on sale in late 2024. A 402 horsepower electric powertrain will be standard and should provide plenty of punch for quick acceleration. A 510 horsepower performance variant is also available. A large battery pack gives EX90 a driving range of between 300 and 310 miles per charge, and it can be reduced via a DC fast charging connection. The EX90 also showcases the brand's next-generation driver assistance technology, including a new driver monitoring system that can take action to help the driver if it detects distress or distraction. All EX90s will come with a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, but the entry-level twin-motor model makes 402 horsepower, while the twin-motor performance variant makes 510 horsepower. The price of the 2025 Volvo EX90 starts at $81,290 and goes up to $87,340 depending on the trim and options.